and the last tree has died, and the last river has been poisoned, and the last is being hurt, will we realize that we cannot eat money? Good morning all of you. Myself, Ifthakhar Ahmed of class 9 of a public school. Today I am here to speak about global warming and its impact. Global warming is a big problem that we have to face nowadays. In today's world, the subject has certainly drawn a lot of attention. So now let's start with our first question. What is global warming? Global warming is the gradual increase of the temperature of Earth's atmosphere and oceans. In simple words, it means the global is hotter and hotter day by day. Now let's move on to its causes and its impact. Global warming is primarily a problem of too much carbon dioxide in the atmosphere, which acts as a blanket, trapping heat and warming the planet. As we burn fossil fuels like coal, oil, natural gas for energy, or cut down and burn tree, carbon accumulates and overloads our atmosphere. Due to this rise in temperature, the oceans are rising, coral reefs are dying. Many aquatic species are going extinct while the glaciers are melting. Moreover, extreme weather patterns are for everyone to see. The heat waves, droughts, floods are now taking place with greater intensity and frequency. The time is now to do something to prevent global warming. Otherwise, it will be irreversible. It is important to note that there is no silver bullet and we must all come together to tackle global warming as a whole. As coal produces tons of carbon dioxide annually, we need to find ways to clean up coal. We can also tackle global warming by beginning with putting agriculture in the system. On an individual level also, we must work together to adopt a greener and healthier lifestyle. Try to drive less, walk more, or take public transport. Get into the habit of recycling and avoid unnecessary wastage of foods. Save electricity by switching off appliances when not in use. Most importantly, plant a tree, as a single tree can absorb tons of carbon dioxide in its lifetime. Thus, remember that change begins with you. And now, I would like to conclude my speech by saying that if we don't take the action today, tomorrow will be the end. Let us be awake and try to end up this problem as soon as possible. Thank you and have a nice day.